In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your logo in Durable AI. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional logo sitting right where it belongs at the top of your site, with the right size and look for your brand. First, open your Durable account and head into the website editor for the site you want to adjust. The editor is where all your visual changes happen, so make sure you're working on the correct project before you begin. If you have your logo file ready on your computer, keep it nearby so you can upload it quickly. Next, click on the top section of your website, often called the header or the hero section. When you select that area, the editing menu for the header will appear, letting you change the elements that sit across the top of your page. In the customization sidebar, look for the logo or image settings tied to your site's branding. Different themes label this slightly differently, but you'll usually see options like site logo, header logo, or branding. This is where you'll manage the file that appears as your logo. Now, replace the current logo by uploading your own image. Durable supports PNG and JPG files. If your logo has transparency or needs a crisp edge, a PNG is best. If it's a photo-style mark, JPG can work well. Aim for a clear, high-resolution file so it looks sharp on modern screens, and try to keep the file size reasonable for fast loading. A transparent background helps your logo blend smoothly with different header colors. Once it's uploaded, use the size slider to dial in the right scale for your header. You want it large enough to be recognizable, but not so big that it pushes your navigation off the line or crowds your hero text. As you adjust, watch the live preview to make sure spacing, alignment, and contrast look good. If your header background is light, a darker logo usually reads better, and vice versa. If you're using Durable's generated text logo, you can click Regenerate to explore different font treatments. This is great for testing styles until you find one that matches your brand personality. Keep an eye on readability and make sure the style you choose remains consistent with your other brand materials. By the way, if you need Durable, you'll find a link right at the top of the description so you can jump in quickly. That's it. You opened the editor, selected the header, found the logo settings, uploaded your image, adjusted the size, and explored Regenerate for font variations. Save your changes if prompted, and you're done. Thanks for watching.